Have you ever craved homemade Asian noodles with restaurant flavor that are incredibly easy to make? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and these miso noodles are the ultimate solution for a quick and flavorful weeknight dinner. To begin, prepare the aromatics. For those of us that hate smashing garlic cloves with a knife blade in our hand, this method is so much better. Fill a small bowl with water and the garlic cloves. Cut the end of the clove, and because of the moisture, the garlic skin becomes incredibly easy to remove. Once the garlic is either crushed or minced, add to a fairly large heat-safe bowl. One of the easiest ways to peel ginger is with the smooth edge of a spoon by sliding it down the side of the ginger. This scrapes off the thin, papery skin. As you can probably tell, the knife I used for chopping the ginger was in desperate need of sharpening. You'll see that I did switch knives while filming, but I do recommend to make sure your knife is sharp. It will make the preparation so much easier. As a note, Korean red chili flakes is an amazing spice that lends a savory, sweet, and spicy kick to dishes. Many Asian grocery stores will carry this spice, or you can find the link through Amazon within the recipe post. With the green onions, the bottom whites will go into the aromatics bowl, and the green tops will be saved for garnish. So now comes the fun part. In a small saucepan, heat a neutral oil such as avocado oil and a small amount of toasted sesame oil. You will know the oil is done when a wooden chopstick is submerged and bubbles form around the chopstick. At this point, carefully pour the heated oils over the garlic mixture. Blooming the aromatics in the hot oil infuses incredible flavor into the noodles and is part of what makes this meal so mouth-watering. While the oil sits, mix together the remainder of the sauce and cook your favorite Asian pasta. The miso paste is the foundation of this dish, and the tahini will add a creamy and nutty element that complements the miso very well. With the addition of the soy sauce and the rice vinegar, the sauce will be on the thicker side until it's mixed together with the oils. At this point, it's important to note that there's quite a bit of flexibility with this recipe. If you desire a spicier noodle dish, simply increase the chili flakes. If you like your noodles to have a bit more of an acidic kick, increase the rice vinegar. Also, there are all kinds of simple protein options that may be added. I chose to do Tofu Crumbles, and I give the details of how to make within the recipe card. Not only is this noodle dish amazing when it's hot, I think it tastes even better the next day. Either way, it's wonderful for the chilly winter months or the balmy summer evenings. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.